The first morning in Vietnam was quite long as it was raining all day, so I just decided to walk around with my umbrella and check the neighborhood. It looked quite nice so far, so I was just walking around and looking for some tea or coffee or something to drink. After a long walk, I found this cafe and ordered some cold coffee, and I was just looking for some place to eat around here. On my phone, I checked out some restaurants, but they were quite far. But I found this really nice one, which was still far, but I decided to go. When I reached this restaurant, I ordered some passion fruit juice because, of course, I love passion fruit juice. And I ordered some Vietnamese spring roll because since I've been here, I have not tried Vietnamese spring roll yet. And it was quite good. After spending some time outside, I decided to go back to my hotel as the weather was getting worse and I don't want to get stuck outside. See you in my next video.